Washed and trimmed our cucumbers, trimmed off the ends, and I'm going to slice them in the food processor with a slicing blade. It'll go a lot faster since we're cooking for a crowd here. I'm going to arrange our cucumbers in our bowl. First, I'm going to line the bowl with the circles of the cucumber and just line it all around like this. Just take the circles and put it all the way around. Okay, if you can see in there. And then put in a couple handfuls of cucumbers to fill that up. And then we'll do one more layer of cucumbers all the way around. Just lining the bowl with the cucumbers. And this gives a really nice presentation at a buffet or a picnic table. Okay, and then fill that up with the rest of your cucumbers. Okay.